Good day all. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I will explain regarding some of the topic that will be a online pipe stress analysis certificate course using Scissor 2. This course is developed by What is Piping team to help beginners and intermediate pipe stress analysis learners to upgrade their knowledge. So in this video I will explain first the introduction, then who should attend this course, then requirements of the course, then what you will learn in the course, what you will get after completion of the course, and how to enroll for the course. So all these steps I will explain one by one. Pipe stress analysis is one of the most critical activities in piping engineering. Critical piping routes that are normally decided by piping designers or piping layout engineers, those must be studied with proper details to ensure the piping systems perform their intended work throughout their design life without failure. As we all know that normally process piping is designed for 20 years period and power piping for 25 years. So throughout this lifespan of the system, all the critical piping uh, so that it works effectively and serve or perform its intended function throughout the lifespan. So because of that, piping stress analysis must be done, and this is done by piping stress engineers. So what is the requirement of this course? In this competitive age, it is always required to upgrade self by acquiring new skills. Even piping layout engineers should learn the basics of pipe stress analysis. So by attending this course, you will be upgrading yourself with a new skill of pipe stress analysis using Scissor 2 software. Even though expertise in any field comes through on-the-job learning in the project works, but basic courses always help to gear up and upgrade your knowledge. We are all aware that expertise will come slowly when we will be working in the actual jobs, actual project works. But to start with, it is always beneficial to upgrade our basic knowledge by attending some kind of course. So this course will help you in this regard. Now, who should attend this course? This course is suitable for fresh mechanical and chemical engineers who are planning to explore the domain of pipe stress analysis. Next, all beginners and intermediate users who just joined an organization as a pipe stress engineer. Piping layout and material engineers who want to upgrade themselves with pipe stress analysis basic knowledge and functions. Construction professionals who wish to enter into piping design domain, and this course is suitable for both process piping and power piping fellows because basics of the pipe stress analysis and the steps of modeling analysis and studying the reviewing the results, those things are similar in both power piping as well as process piping. Only the governing equations and the design code will be different for process piping and power piping. As you already know that for process piping the design code or governing code is the ASME B31.3, and for power piping it is ASME B31.1. Now, what are the requirements for this course? The first requirement is that you must have the Scissor 2 software because you need to practice what you will be learning throughout the course and to do the assignments also. Now, in case if you don't have the software, then I have given a WhatsApp number in the description of this video. So in that contact number you can contact and someone from my team will guide you to get the demo or full version of the software, or will inform you from where you can get this software so that you can practice. Now basic knowledge of engineering mechanics, material properties and fluid mechanics will be added advantage. If you have this knowledge, then it will help you to learn the basics faster. Now what you will learn? The online pipe stress analysis course will guide you step by step in learning to model your piping geometry, then error checking, then analyzing, and finally reviewing the results so that you can suggest some changes to qualify the system from stress, load point of views. The online pipe stress analysis course consists of a series of online videos to help engineers learn the following. So what you will learn or what is covered in this course? First is what is pipe stress analysis. Then deciding stress critical lines and preparing critical line list. Means you know that in a plant there may be more than 10,000 lines, but not all those 10,000 lines will be requiring stress analysis. So you have to prepare a critical line list and you have to define or decide which lines will be requiring your computer stress analysis. So this you will be learning in this step. Next, inputs for piping stress analysis. What are the inputs required for starting or for performing pipe stress analysis? Next, getting started with Scissor2 software. So you will be learning the basics of Scissor2 software, how, regarding how you will be modeling, from where the data to be entered, how to review the results. Next, introduction to pipe supports. As all piping systems will be supported on some kind of supports, so you have to know the basics of pipe supports to start modeling and analysis in Scissor2. Next, pipe thickness calculation basics, from a sample calculation for pipe thickness calculation using the equations as mentioned in ASME B 31.3 will be provided here. Then what is piping isometric drawing? Because when you start modeling, you have to study or take all the dimensions and even sometimes material and other parameters also in absence of your piping material class from the isometric drawing. So you have to be thorough with the piping isometric drawing. So in this section we will learn what a piping isometric drawing is and how to study it. Then starting with pump piping stress analysis, then a practical industry model of pump piping stress analysis you will be learning. Then creating load cases for pipe stress analysis. Now what all are the load cases as required by SMB 31.3 code? So you will be learning to create all those load cases and what the significance of those load cases. Then modeling of horizontal vessel for stress analysis. So after pump modeling you will be learning a static equipment horizontal vessel modeling procedure. Then wind and seismic analysis in Scissor2. Next, flange leakage analysis using pressure equivalent, NC and ASME section 8 method. Then PSB piping stress analysis. Then what is the significance of a piping expansion loop? Then what is modal analysis in Scissor2? Then WRC 537 and WRC 297 in Scissor2. Slag and surge flow analysis in Scissor2 using static equivalent method. Generating stress analysis report for clients. Editing model. Modeling trunnion or dummy supports in Scissor2. Then buried or underground piping stress analysis steps. And finally use of spring hangers. These are the basic modules which I have already included in the course, and in future I will include slowly other topics or other subjects as well. Now what will you get after completion of the course? First you will get a course completion certificate from Freshers to Pro. Next, the course will help the members to learn the basics of pipe stress analysis. The participant will be able to start working on piping stress analysis projects. The candidate will be able to attend beginners pipe stress analysis job interviews and will be able to answer the questions that will be asked from the basics. Next, you will be a member of the course group. So once you enroll for the course, there a group, you will be a member of the course group where you can interact with other members who are learning as well as with your instructor, so that your any doubt you can clarify. So you can discuss along with the other members and with the instructor of the course to clarify all your doubts. So your instruction will be there to clarify all your doubts. So it is not directly online course, means along with online you will be getting interactive access to your instructor and other members. Also, Freshers to Pro team is working on helping the members to get job placements as well. So they will provide job assistance to enrolled members, but this is in study phase now. So soon they will be declared this also. Now, how to enroll for this course? The steps for attending the online pipe stress analysis using Caesar 2 software course is very simple. Simply these steps I have mentioned here, that the link to join the course is provided in the description. You find the link in the description of this uh, video. Then once you click the link, the website with this course will launch. Click on the add to basket. It will ask you to create your login details. You can create a new login using the sign up button, or you can log in using Facebook, Gmail or LinkedIn accounts. Then purchase the course and you will get access. Upon completion of the course, you will get the certificate. In case there is difficulty in accessing the course or for any other technical problems, send a mail to contact at the rate fresher2pro.com. So the team members of Fresher to Pro will guide you to resolve any kind of problem you may face during your course. So that's all for today. So what are you waiting for? Simply join the course to start your pipe stress analysis journey. Thank you.